Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice simplification problem that is 5 over 2 whole to the power 2 over 5. So it is a nice question, very interesting question here. So I just find out here a simplification. So how to simplify this? For this purpose we just write first step here that let us suppose if we have a over b whole to the power b over a. So it is same because here it is a over b, let's say 5 over 2. So we also get the reciprocal of this as an exponent, which is 2 over 5. So here let's say a over b whole to the power b over a. So it will be equal to that a to the power b over b to the power b whole to the power 1 over a whole to the power 1 over a. So we are going to use this property here. Then we get here, we just write our question that 5 over 2 whole to the power 2 over 5 is equal to, here this 5 we just write here the value of b, which is 2. So 5 squared divided by 2 squared whole to the power 1 over, here a is 5, so we just write 1 over 5. So we just used here that on this exponential property. So our next step will be this 5 squared is equal to 25 and 2 squared is equal to 4. So all over 1 over 5. Now we know that by exponential property, if we have a over b whole to the power 1 over n, so it is equal to that nth root of a over b. Now here it will be equal to that nth root of, here nth root is 5, so fifth root of 25 over 4. Now our next step is we also write this one like if we have nth root of a over b, it is equal to nth root of numerator, which is a, square root of a, so nth root of denominator, which is square root of b. Now this will be 5, that is square root of 25 all over this 5 square root of 4. So our next step here, it is equal to that 5 square root of 25 over 5 square root of 4 times, here we just use here the interesting property of exponential. If we have nth root of a over b, it will be equal to nth root of a over nth root of b times here nth that root of here b to the power n minus 1 and all over nth root of b to the power n minus 1. So here we use the same property. Then we get that 5 square root of 4, here value of b is 4, so we just write 4 to the power of 5 minus 1 all over that 5 square root of 4 to the power 5 minus 1. So now our next step is here that 5 square root of 25 over 5 square root of 4 times, here we get 5 square root of 4 to the power 5 minus 1, we get 4 to the power 4 all over 5 square root of 4 to the power 4. So now our next step is here that here we just write if we have nth root of a times nth root of b, it is equal to nth root of a times b. So here it will be that 5 square root of 25 times 4 to the power 4. Similarly, here we use the same property, which is 5 square root of 4 times 4 to the power 4. Here we get, here bases are same, so powers will be added. We use on this law, on this property here, if we have a to the power m times a to the power n, it will be equal to a to the power m plus n. So here 5 square root of 25 times 4 to the power 4, and in denominator we just write here 4 to the power 1 plus 4. We just take this base is same, so power will be added. Now our next step is here 5 25 times 4 to the power 4 all over this 5 square root of 4 to the power 4 plus 1 is 5. So our next step will be here we use this property of exponential. So if we have nth root of a to the power n, it will be equal to a. So here is in denominator we use the same property. So 5 square root of 25 times 4 to the power 4, that all over here we get only 4. So now here exponent of 4 is 1. So our next step will be this 25, that we also write this 25 as we have this property. If we have nth root of a times b to the power m, it is equal to a to the power 1 over n times b to the power m over n. So using this amazing property here, then we just write 25 to the power 1 over 5 times that 4 to the power 4 divided by 5, and this 4 to the power 1. Now our next step will be, so as we know that if we have a to the power m divided by a to the power n, then it is equal to a to the power m minus n. So here same basis, we just shift this one as a numerator. So 25 to the power 1 over 5 times 4 to the power 4 divided by 5 times 4 to the power, this one will be minus 1. So here our next step will be 25 to the power 1 over 5 times 4 is common, 4 divided by 5, it is base is same, so 4 divided by 5 minus 1. Here we get 25 to the power 1 over 5 times 4 to the power 4 divided by 5, we just write 5, and 4 minus 5 we get minus 1 over 5. So here our next step is, here we just write this 4 is 2 squared, so 2 squared is equal to 4. Now 25 to the power 1 over 5 times 2 squared times minus 1 over 5, that is 25 to the power 1 over 5. We just write it 5 squared times 1 over 5, and here it will be minus 2 divided by 5, 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 5. So our next step is here that if we write here that 5 squared, just 5 squared to the power 1 over 5, and here if we just write here that 2 cubed, so we get here minus here it will be 2 to the power this 3 divided by 5. Now minus 2 divided by 5. So if we here if we multiply and divide, if we multiply and divide by 2, so multiplying by 2 here and also dividing by 2, then here exponent is 1. So we have this 5 squared whole to the power 1 over 5 times, here bases are same, so powers will be added, minus 2 divided by 5 plus 1. We just write here that 5, so minus 2 it will be plus 5, plus 5 minus 2 we get 3, so it is 3 divided by 5. Now all over 2. Our next step is here that 5 squared to the power 1 over 5 times 2 to the power here, and this can be written as 2 cubed whole to the power 1 over 5 all over 2. So now our next step is here, if we just write this 5 squared times 2 cubed whole to the power 1 over 5 all over 2. So our next step is This 5 squared is equal to 25 times 2 cubed is equal to 8 whole to the power 1 over 5 all over 2. So when we multiply 25 times 8 we get 200 whole to the power 1 over 5. Here we have 2. Now our next step is that it can also be written as that nth root of this 200. So here fifth root of 200 divided by 2. So it is our simplified form, and our problem will be 5 divided by 2 whole to the power 2 divided by 5. So it is equal to this 5 square root of 200 divided by 2. So it is our final answer that we have just simplified this problem here. So now checking our entire solution step by step here. So I hope you have understand all these steps. Now that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.